In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into Coinbase and buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or just need a little refresher, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. So let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, go ahead and open up the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the app's interface is user-friendly, making it a seamless experience for users of all levels. Once the app is open and you're signed in, you're ready for the next step. Now look for the buy and sell option on the bottom of your screen and tap on it. This is where the magic begins, as it allows you to start the process of purchasing various cryptocurrencies directly from your account. Don't worry, we're going to walk through each step together. Once you're on the buy and sell screen, you'll see several options, but for today you'll want to select buy. Tap on the buy option, which lets you purchase cryptocurrency using your available cash balance. This option is perfect for those ready to dive into investing and owning their first digital assets. Next up, you'll need to decide which cryptocurrency you want to add to your portfolio. If you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or perhaps a different digital coin, you'll make that selection here. Simply browse through the list of available cryptocurrencies and tap on the one you've decided to buy. Now that you've selected your cryptocurrency, it's time to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Be careful here and make sure you're comfortable with the amount you're planning to invest, as the world of crypto can be quite volatile. Once you've entered the desired amount, double check to ensure everything looks correct. After entering your deposit amount, it's important to choose your payment method. Coinbase usually offers a variety of payment options, such as linking your bank account, using a credit or debit card, and sometimes even PayPal. Choose the method you're most comfortable with and that you feel will process the transaction efficiently for your needs. Finally, before you complete your transaction, take a moment to review all the details on your screen. Look at the amount you're about to deposit, verify the chosen cryptocurrency, and ensure all your payment information is correct. When everything looks good and you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and confirm your deposit. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully deposited money into Coinbase and embarked on your cryptocurrency investment journey. Remember, it's crucial to keep your login information secure and to stay informed about changes in the market. Happy investing, and thanks for watching today's guide.